So I'm replacing irons on this 820 bean head, or 800 series bean head, 20 footer. This was a channel iron. I put a square tube in there, and I'll just put self-tapping screws through here because I won't be able to get to the back side of it. Had to cut it to replace this channel iron. I notched it like this. This thing's all twisted up. I don't know if you can tell it in the video. These angle irons here, I just straightened them for now on these three. But they really should be, I'm not straightening anymore. I'm just going to put new angle irons on. It's real easy to do. So that's where I'm at. It's kind of late. I mean, I should be combining by the end of the week, and I should have this together by the end of the week. I have to get new ball joints. The AGCO dealer they ran out of them. And same as an X-Mark lawnmower, but they were 43 bucks a piece, and I don't know what AGCO is. But McMaster on the internet, they're under $12 a piece plus shipping, and of course they want to tax you. So I ordered some there, and I'll probably get some from the AGCO dealer because I decided to replace more than what I ordered. I still got to tear this end apart. It was all stuck in the up position. And I haven't used it for 2 years. I had just corn last year. And it never worked right when I bought this thing. It didn't float right. And I had to do this to my 315 for my L2. Same kind of deal. They sit and they're so covered up. These skid plates are so long and they cover everything up and you can't get up in there. I blow it out every year, but really I wish it was easier to get at the ball joints so you could lube them better. I spray stuff up in there every year, but these were rusty when I bought it and they never loosened up, and they are just stiff as can be. I've loosened some of these now, but all they are is this ball joint. This is an X-Mark lawnmower one, same identical thing. $43. AGCO, I don't know what they are, but I'm taking this one back. I'm not going to use this expensive thing.